Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today's video is not really more about technique, but this video is actually more on the informational purpose side. For those of you that are having issues with scarring, alopecia, and just anything in regards to the hair being stagnated and not really growing back. So my client, as you guys can tell, has a very large area of what we would assume to be androgenetic alopecia or female pattern baldness. And it is also extremely scarred in that area, while she does have a couple strands of growth in between the scarring. So today she came in, and really she comes into the salon for her maintenance. What I did notice is that her hair was severely dehydrated, which comes along with the territory because she is one of those people where in order for her to be able to cover that area, she typically will wear her hair in a ponytail with a lot of gel, and it just stays that way, and that's just really been her choice of how to style her hair. Every so often she will come in and allow me to kind of do a different style, but today we did a shampoo and condition using the Hair Repair and Restore shampoo, and then I used the Moist Repair conditioner and did a deep conditioner because, as I said, her hair felt extremely dehydrated. Now, the reason why I said this video is for informational purposes is mainly because with this client, she came in today and told me that she will actually be going to Turkey to get hair implants. Now, hair implants, when done in the United States, is not cheap, mainly because it's just the way it is here. But there is other countries that you can go to get hair implants if that is an option for you. What I will say is, based on the size of the space that she has, even though she has a lot of balding and I know she's getting the implants, I'm still treating her hair as though we were doing nothing different, and I still applied some of our super growth serum. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys a resource for those of you that are interested in getting hair implants or want to look into it, and it's been something that you've wanted for quite some time, especially for those of you who has a lot of scarring where you know that hair won't grow back. This will definitely be an option for you that may be a lot more cost effective when done in other countries. Now, my client here has done all of the research. She's actually flying out in about 2 weeks to go and get hers done. And I'm really excited for her because this is definitely something that she's been struggling with for a very long time. And she did her research and found a really good facility. So I will share with you guys the facility that she's going to in regards to contacting them, and also another resource that you'll be able to use to find other physicians that specialize in hair implants for those of you that are dealing with hair issues such as hers. Now, like I said, am still treating her hair as if she was not going to get implants at all. And mainly she came in today because, number one, she needed a trim. Number two, she wanted to treat her hair because they are still using your actual hair. Now, keep in mind that hair implants is an invasive service. This is something that has to be done by a doctor, but the health of your hair definitely is going to matter. Remember, they are actually using your follicles and placing them in other places. Now, I will, as I said before, share a resource for you guys who are interested in this service if you're having a situation like my client here where you have scarring alopecia. But for today, as I said, we are going to continue her service. So I'm silking her out, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim her. Now, by trim, we're doing a very light dusting of the ends. That's really what a trim is. And at the same time, she actually does not wear her hair out like this because, of course, it's going to expose her spots. So we're just going to put her hair up in a ponytail because she's leaving this week and she will not be able to wash her hair for quite some time after getting this service. I will tell you guys, if you plan on getting the implants, you do need to have a passport. This is going to a country that requires a passport. And the good thing is they do not have any travel restrictions. My client also informed me that they do not require you to have the COVID vaccine. You just are required to take the PCR test before you go within that time frame. So that's stuff you guys can look up and look into. I'm really excited for her because this is definitely a long time coming, and she did do all of her research, and she gave me the permission to pass on a lot of this information to you guys. And it's something that I know a lot of you have been looking into, but because we're in the US and it's super expensive, She did find a place that she researched over and over and over, and she's happy with the results that she saw. And I even saw some of the results, and I can definitely say huge difference, and definitely a fraction of the cost. Okay, so after her trim, let me kind of break down a little bit about hair plugs or hair implants and how they work. Usually, and not even usually, for this service, they are going to be taking the follicles from other parts of the head and placing those follicles in the area where you have that balding or that thinning. Now, if the hair is not healthy, if you are not healthy, then of course at the same time, is this going to be a long-lasting service? No. So you want to make sure that the hair is healthy at the same time. You want to make sure that you're definitely taking your vitamins. With that being said, we do have our new Goddess Gummies, which is our hair, skin, and nail vitamins that will be coming out this coming March. So look out for that. So now I'm just putting her hair in a ponytail for her to be able to go with her hair nice and trimmed and clean. And then she will be leaving for her procedure this coming week. So you guys definitely send your prayers for her safe travels and a great procedure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check the link in the description box. And I also put the information right down here below on this video so that you'll be able to check out some resources on hair implants if it's something that you are interested in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, I'm finishing out with the ponytail. You guys are considerably able to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.